Joseph Anton Koch was born 27 July 1768, died 12 January 1839. He was an Austrian painter of Neoclassicism and later the German Romantic movement. He is perhaps the most significant neoclassical landscape painter. Koch developed as a landscape painter. In Rome, he espoused a new type of heroic landscape, revising the classical compositions of Poussin and Lorrain with a more rugged, mountainous scenery. In 1812, forced through inadequate income from his work, or in protest of the French invasion, he went to Vienna, where he worked prolifically. He stayed in Vienna until 1815. During this period, he incorporated more non-classical themes in his work. In Vienna, he was influenced by Friedrich Schlegel and enthusiasts of old German art. In response, his style became harsher,